giving back, one that helps life flourish in its shade, one that constantly evolves to manage change, and one that supports a broader ecosystem through its contributions. The Tree of Life is a symbol of connectivity and growth, a symbol that represents Astra, one of Indonesia's largest and most diversified conglomerates. This is the story of Astra. Astra began in 1957 with strong values as a trading company. With this robust foundation, the company began to grow businesses from its solid trunk as it branches out to other industries, rising the company higher than ever. Using its long-term Triple P roadmap, the company began growing despite current or future economic challenges. The Triple P incorporates 1. Portfolio. Its proactive, sustainable, and forward-thinking strategic business plans help guide Astra to becoming a global company. 2. People. Continually investing in human capital and fulfilling the needs of its employees and innovations resulted in a strong backbone for the company as it sprints towards its objectives. And 3. Public contribution. As part of its work culture and commitment to managing the environment, health, education, and entrepreneurship in the interest of all, Astra has been recognized as one of the best companies in sustainable social contribution. The Triple P has guided Astra's actions, decisions, and communications towards its mission of prospering with the nation by providing the best value to all its stakeholders. It continues to strengthen its goal to become the pride of the nation. As the Tree of Life continues to grow higher in the sky, it must adapt to the elements and environments to thrive. For Astra, this meant branching out into more than 240 companies, continuously creating opportunities through subsidiaries, associated companies, and jointly controlled entities. Today, Astra's main businesses are comprised of 7 business lines. Despite its multi-industry focus, Astra provides high-quality products and services that are well received by Indonesian and overseas customers. The company also manages the quality of suppliers of products and services by implementing world-class supplier management policies. This includes processes to ensure the business interests and rights of business partners and to uphold the principle of mutual trust in alignment with the values of the company. This is a tree that adapts to the times. Finally, Astra truly believes that real success is achieved when everyone can taste the fruits of its labor. Astra has long established 9 foundations to strengthen their efforts in giving back to the community, making real changes towards a better Indonesia. These foundations play a pivotal role in building and supporting education in the country, creating skilled young workers, as well as building sustainable and independent communities through the development and fostering of micro, small, and medium enterprises. This includes promoting sustainable development goals that resonate across the archipelago through Astra's 4 pillars of sustainable social contribution, which are health by implementing integrated programs such as Astra for a Healthy Indonesia. The company seeks to improve the health and well-being of Indonesians, particularly the younger generation. Education through programs under Astra for a Smarter. Astra helps open up access to education and improve its quality, which is key to achieving a better life and advancing the future generation. Environment. With Astra for Green Indonesia, the company has designed programs aimed to protect and conserve Indonesia's nature by maintaining a clean and sustainable environment. And entrepreneurship. Through Astra for a Creative, Astra provided support for the country's small and medium enterprises by working side by side with local communities and fostering a creative economy ecosystem. These 4 pillars were implemented in 133 villages of Kampung Bersari Astra Development Program throughout Indonesia. And in order to boost the economic growth at the village level, Astra continues to develop 930 villages of Desa Sejahtera Astra programs that focus on each region's featured products in 34 provinces. The Tree of Life is forever, growing with the seeds of strong values, adapting to the constantly changing winds, and giving back to the ecosystem to sustain, prosper, and empower others. Astra seeks to not only create a better future, but also help future generations toward these goals. There is nothing more important than sustaining an environment for the benefit of all, as trees do in a forest. Astra will always be the tree of life that will prosper with the nation and is ready to work with others for the benefit of all.
Hi! Can you guess where I am right now? This is Indonesia. To me, it's a country unlike any other. Once you set foot in here, you will totally be in love. Look at all these breathtaking sceneries, endless variety of thrilling adventures, friendly smiles, mouth-watering local delicacies, exquisite handcrafted pieces of art, and those are only a tiny glimpse of an unparalleled voyage. Indonesia is a land of mega biodiversity with an incredible range of flora and fauna. It is home to some of the richest coral reef formation on Earth. And as we travel along the coast, Indonesia has 3.48 million hectares, or almost 1/4 of the world's mangrove forests, and it's capable of sequestering more than 3 billion tons of carbon from the atmosphere. As part of our commitment to the planet, we are doing our best to protect and restore our precious ecology. This is Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple in the world. Labuan Bajo, the natural habitat of Komodo dragons. Lake Toba, the biggest volcanic lake in the world. The impressive Mandalika, designed not only as an ecotourism destination, but also as an international sports destination for events such as MotoGP in upcoming years. Likupang, a marine tourism spot with fantastic beaches and breathtaking underwater vistas. Indonesia has always been famous for its abundant natural resources, and especially spices. Indonesian spices used to be the most significant commodity in Europe around the 14th century and kick-started what we know as global trade today. As the largest archipelagic country with diverse cultures, Indonesia's spirit of tolerance is embraced through a sense of belonging. Our diverse 270 million strong population also means unlimited opportunities and yes, many more golden talents to come. Do you know that more than 190 million Indonesians are active internet users? With all that digital power in hand, Indonesia is becoming home to 2,219 startups, which is predicted to grow up to 8-fold from $44.4 billion in 2020 to $319 billion by 2030. This is an exciting time for Indonesia to race ahead and welcome the future. You may have also heard on the news, Indonesia is predicted to shake up the world by being the 5th biggest economy on its 100th anniversary. In the meantime, we are building a more advanced manufacturing, a more just and fair trade system, more sustainable products, and focusing on empowering our entrepreneurs, big and small. With all this in the works, can you imagine how amazing the future would be? I am certainly proud of my motherland, Indonesia. It is truly a country unlike any other. Come step inside. You will